Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the XRP Urgent update friends. As you know, very bad dumping starts in XRP Ripple coin. I hope this dump is a temporary dump of the XRP Ripple coin, not permanent friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. If we talk about the currently price of the XRP Ripple coin, so the currently price is about 1.56 USD dollar is the currently price of XRP Ripple coin at this time friends. And if we talk about the price change occur in the XRP Ripple coin, so as you can see here, here is the change negative in the last 1 hour, 1 day friends. As you can see here negative, and the previous last 1 week change as positive. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart of the last 2 hour friends. As I told you that here is a surprise news for all of you. I'm sorry for joking, but that is reality. Negative 1.87% change occur in XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, at this time the falls occur in XRP Ripple coin friends. So why the falls down for a little time is I show you the last 1 day change is also negative friends. What's the reason behind that? The reason is that as you know, today is the 3rd day of a new month friends. As you know, it is the starting of May. That is why a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down for a little time. I think this kind of falls continue in XRP Ripple coin for the next 2-3 days friends. After 2-3 days, maybe they go support in the future, maybe they falls down again, but we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. On the basis of technical analysis, that is clear that after 2 days, after 3 days, they take a again jumping friends. The highest price of the XRP Ripple coin in the last 2 hours, 1.59 USD dollar is the highest price. And as you can see here, the currently at this time live price of the XRP Ripple coin is 1.56. So approximately a 0.3 USD dollar falls occur in XRP Ripple coin in the last 2 hours friends. So what's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? My opinion is that don't worry about this fast. That's a temporary fast of every cryptocurrency. Not only XRP Ripple coin falls down, every cryptocurrency is falls down, friends. So it's not a serious talk. Keep watch ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Click the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.